something online. And then in January when you got hurt, that's when we had the time to start looking at something.
Yeah,
And we just came across this ad, read about it. Hey, that sounded interesting. Somebody from Canada, not that far from us. We could work with them, I thought.
yeah, absolutely.
So here we are. Started that online business. We clicked the link and started learning. Got all the training. And took us a little time. What was it, 2 weeks maybe?
Yeah,
We
maybe.
had everything set up. And the good thing, what is that you like about it? I like the fact that it's 90% done. You only have to do the other 10.
Yeah, it's so simple to set up.
And that anybody can do that. Can do this. I don't need no education. As long as you have internet and you know how to post on social media.
Talking about education, we have pushing it. We have grade 12 education. No, excuse me, grade 7. I've been a truck driver for the last 25 years, and that definitely has not brought us where we thought we would be today.
And even though if you make the money that you need, but there's never any free time or home time.
Well, for example, when I got hurt back in January 2019, our income was completely stopped, and we realized that we had to go do something else.
With this online business, even if you're sick in bed, it still runs. And you don't have to worry about it heavy lifting or long hours or any of that.
Or logs falling on top of you.
So and you don't have to worry about if it's snowing or if it's raining or what it is doing. As long as you have Wi-Fi or any kind of internet, you can do this pretty much from anywhere.
We can tell you one thing. Any of you getting involved, we got your backs. That is what our community is here for.
Just like us, there's 40-some thousand other people that are doing it, and it's easy.
42,000 to be exact as of yesterday.
And it's working for a lot of people. And it can work for you too. If you have ever thought of, I wonder what I could do to have an income without sacrificing my time, this is it. And you should just check it out. Maybe it's not for you, and that's fine. Maybe you just want to be friends, get to know us, or learn a little bit more about it. We have a free workshop every Tuesday and Thursday that is at 6 o'clock Mountain Time. And if you're interested at all
it would take from you is an hour and a half of watching a webinar.
or a free workshop, whatever you would like to call it, but it's free and no credit card needed, just an email and a name. And yeah, if you're interested at all, we can send you our link that you can register for the webinar or workshop. And if you have an hour and a half to spare, you can check it out, listen to it, and maybe it is for you, maybe it's something that you've been looking for, and maybe it's not.
And if it's not, no big deal.
No hard feelings over that. Just with this time, with everybody sitting at home, and for thousands of people not having an income, maybe you are that person that says, I need an income, and how am I going to do that?
You know, I did get shut down because of COVID-19. I've been home a whole month, but really I have not been off. We've been working at home.
which is great. The weather doesn't interfere, and just the two of us working on it. And it can run in the back end of, you can still do your thing what you need to do, and it's just a great business, a great community. And you're never alone. It's a great community. You can always get help, answers. If not from us, there will always be someone to answer your questions. And it's just a great opportunity. Man, that might be something that,
This will probably prove here in Canada.
maybe you're just looking for a little bit of extra cash. And if you don't check it out, you will never know.
That's right.
So have a good day, and we will talk to you all later.
Thank you. Bye-bye now.